Hello friends. I am Lee Vue. I am an Oriental medicine doctor. I know about medicinal plants. On this channel I will share with you about medicinal plants and how to use them to protect your health. Please see. You may be surprised to learn nutgrass. A weed growing wildly in the fields is a drug called Cyperus tuber. This medicine is very effective for treating women diseases. There is a saying, women cannot leave Cyperus tuber. Pen grass is also known as bear root, incense stick. A very famous medicine in traditional medicine. Science name, Cyperus rhodanthussel. Belong to the rush. Distribution area. Nutgrass grows wild everywhere. The most is around the edge of the field or along the dike, especially in the dry winter there are many nutgrass trees growing wild. Nutgrass is considered a weed that is harmful to crops, especially to farmers who grow food crops. Nutgrass has a root system that grows into a tuberous form. The herbicides almost cannot eradicate this weed. Because the herbicides work only to burn the leaves and tubers in the earth, is almost impossible to completely eliminate. Parts used. Nutgrass trees including leaves, stems and roots are all used as medicines. The roots are the best parts. Processing and harvesting. Trees are harvested all year round, the most in winter. People often carry a shovel and dig up the whole piece of soil, shaking off the soil to get all the nutgrass including leaves, bulbs and roots. The simple way of processing is to wash thoroughly and dry to make medicine. In addition, there is a different way of processing. The way to do it is as follows: nutgrass dug about the soil and dried it. When the tree has just dried its leaves, the roots are still fresh. People put them in piles and then light a fire. All the leaves and roots will be burned off and the rest of the bulbs. People take this tuber to wash it thoroughly, then dry it to make medicine. Chemical composition. In nutgrass people find large amounts of essential oil. There are also a number of other compounds. Taste. Nutgrass has a slightly spicy, slightly bitter taste. Asterisk uses of nutgrass. Despite its reputation as a weed that harms crops, nutgrass is also a tree that brings practical benefits to our lives. According to folk experience, nutgrass is a widely used medicinal plant called Cyperus tuber. Medicinal plants have some main effects as follows. Treatment of irregular menstruation. Treatment of vaginitis. Help pregnant women easily give birth. Treatment of chronic cervicitis. Strengthen digestion, treat bloating, indigestion. Treatment of stomach pain due to nervous breakdown, insomnia. Usage, dosage. Treatment of irregular menstruation, dysmenorrhea, difficulty delivering, Cyperus tuber 18G. Rinse, boil with 600 ml of water. Simmer for 30 minutes, then drain water to drink during the day. Can add a little sugar to the roots to drink. Treatment of chronic cervicitis, nutgrass 18G, boil with 800 ml of drinking water a day. Treatment of indigestion, flatulence, wash nutgrass leaves and roots. Soak in boiling water and drink after meals. Treatment of stomach pain, nutgrass 10g. Oil with 800 ml of drinking water daily. My experience. I often use nutgrass in combination with other plants to treat women with dysmenorrhea, stomach aches, urinary tract infections, for women who are difficult to get pregnant or have difficulty giving birth. For dysmenorrhea, stomach pain after drinking nutgrass juice for 30 minutes will feel immediate results. To use nutgrass most effectively, you can contact me. Leave your comments below the video. Thank you for watching the video. Please end in video here. Have a nice day. Please like me. Goodbye.